This is the Sauna Room where we keep you updated with everything Jamaica and Jamaicans. Now, this is the first weekly roundup where I talk about hot topics in the Sauna Room that is in Jamaica, about Jamaicans here and also internationally. So we're gonna touch on a few of the hot topics and explore them a little bit and give my commentary. I really did want to start this a long time ago, but procrastination did a kill me. I decided this week now pass. I'm starting. So guys, if you have something out there that you want to start but procrastinating, please start, and I know that it will work out for you. Now, the first thing that we want to talk about is Bob Marley movie premiere. This is a big deal for Jamaica, a big deal for Bob. It was held on January 23rd at Carib 5 in Kingston. A lot of celebrities showed out. You had Honorable Andrew Holness, his wife, so we get a surprise visit from the Duke and the Duchess of Sussex. My mind, my list tongue. There's a little bit of controversy about that, but let me touch upon this first. Bob winning itself. So Bob Marley is a icon. He's known worldwide. Every corner of the world, everybody know Bob. It is long overdue, Honorable Andrew Holness. Please appoint Bob Marley to his rightful post as a national hero. And if you want to step it up a little bit more, you can give you same about national hero to broke the generational things, the thing the way you highlight heroes when they're dead. Give somebody the national hero when he's actually alive. But Bob, he showed unity throughout his music, and he also spread love, and that's why his reach was so much. So big up to Bob. His kids were there, and it's a beautiful thing for Bob in itself, his legacy, and also highlighting Jamaica at the same time. So Meghan and Harry came to the event. So back in the UK, they are analysts that is basically criticizing him, allegedly, that his dad is sick with prostate and he hasn't come and visit him, and he is posing with Andrew Holness, who wants to become independent. He wants to break away from the monarch and stuff like that. So basically, them are saying should not hang out with Andrew because Andrew want break up with Queen when set X, Y, and Z, but I don't know, so they can't tell Harry what to do. Him do what he want to do with him girl, basically. But that is what is being said on the news. There are videos out there you can definitely research and read up more and listen more on that. So the next topic I want to talk about is Shenseea and her hit and run song. I'm happy for Shenseea because she get bash wicked from what she say. She flop like not now go on for her. She cross over internationally, and the reach that she's supposed to have and the impact on her flavor, she's lost her flavor. That was some of the things that were being said in the media. People were basically saying, "Nah, you're not bullshit here. She'll make her money. She not really program nobody." I understand. But boom, this week drop, and she drop her hit and run song featuring Massacre. You don't know, the Massacre hot on the street because he just dropped him album one day and he top a lot of charts. And he was doing well, And also, the song is featuring The Genius. I guess he is the producer on the song. The song basically shot up to today. The views are 1.9 million views in one day, on YouTube alone. And it's on all the other platforms. So it's doing really, really good. So I'm really proud of that for her, Everybody has said she find it back. And once you go viral on TikTok, once you trend on TikTok, see really a trend. So big up yourself, Shenseea, and keep it going. And stick to your roots. Stick to what, really boss you. Don't deviate too far from that. Try to stay consistent and just put out work. But stay true to your roots. I know that you want to cross over and, reach more people. But look on Spice, she's cross over. And she is still under the sheets, and she really keep her roots and represent on that level. The next thing in the sauna room we want to talk about, I don't know if you guys know of the case with Julian Silver, a former politician. His wife died. Let me just give you a round up real quick. First, his wife did, and them say she died from natural causes. She died in her sleep. But then later investigation and autopsy was done. Then it was revealed that she died from 3 bullets. That being said, at first them say he was not a suspect, but then they locked him up the other day with evidence to tie him to the murder, allegedly. He's still in lockup now. This week he went to court and he was remanded, and allegedly his license firearm was tracked and checked with FLA, and it was disclosed that the barrel of the weapon was tampered with. We don't know what's going to come out from that, but the case is still ongoing. So as young people, we need to know what's going on in our place and keep up to date with what's happening around us, and news, not just entertainment wise, but news and everything what's going on with the country and with Jamaica and Jamaicans. And that is what this channel is about. This week on the media as well, there's a little bit of bickering allegedly about World Dog and Swiss Lee. That Swiss Lee represented Jamaica in LA at a TikTok event. Guys, look at this. TikTok is a big platform. You have over 150 million active users, billions of dollars made on TikTok, and this young man was chosen to represent Jamaica. It's a big thing and it's a big deal. A message to Swiss Lee: who you start out with heading to success is generally not who you end with. It's important to stay humble, stay true to who you are as a person. The right people will be around you and the wrong people will always leave. So don't worry about it too much. But every man for themselves, like, they must know the relationship that they have between the two of them, and not everything has to be said on the media. The last topic that we're going to touch on today is big up to Mackerel fly out and her baby. Them gone on vacation, and it's his first time traveling with her son. That I highlighted this because she will have a little struggle in her relationship. On TikTok, where she break down, everybody when I tell her to keep strong and hold up her head, and the tables can turn really, really quickly. Now she and her baby gone on vacation and they're happy and everybody good. That's my little weekly roundup from the Sauna Room. Please remember to subscribe and leave in the comment section below if you think Bob Marley should be a national hero. I don't think he should be a national hero. I know that he is a national hero of Jamaica, even if the government and the system don't give him the title. It is written in the people around the world. It's written in the minds of the people around the world. So keep it locked and subscribe, and until next time.